In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to play the piano accompaniment of Say Something by A Great Big World featuring Christina Aguilera in the original key of D major. This emotional song gained popularity after Christina Aguilera featured on it, and the popularity led to many covers, including one by Luke Evans and Nicole Kidman, which I'll link in my description. Here's our middle C for a reference. For this tutorial, the accompaniment will be taught in the original key of D major, where we have two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. We'll start with the intro, which begins with the right hand with D, 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 and then we play another D followed quickly by the first chord. The first chorus is B minor with B on the left and F sharp, B, and D on the right, followed by the D on the right. Then we have G major with G on the left and G, B, and D on the right, followed by D on the right. Let's try that again. G major. Next chord is D major with D on the left and F sharp, A, and D on the right, followed by the D on the right. The last chord of a chorus is A sus4 with A on the left and E, A, and D on the right, followed again by the D on the right. You'll notice this D is constantly playing throughout the song, which provides a sense of grounding, like a heartbeat or a pulse. This technique used in this song makes the song feel more intimate and emotional. Let's play the intro and the first chorus together in normal time. The chord progression is played 4 times. Here's the preview of the verse section. Our first chord is D major with D on the left and F sharp, A, and D on the right. The next chord is D major 7 over F sharp with F sharp and C sharp on the left and A and D on the right. G sus2 with G on the left and A and D on the right. We'll play those 3 chords again. D major, D major 7 over F sharp, G sus2. Return back to D major, then end with A sus4, which we had learned earlier from the chorus. Let's play the entire verse section where we repeat this chord progression twice. D major, D major 7 over F sharp, G sus2, D major, and A sus4. And we repeat that again. For the second course, instead of playing the chords followed by the D note after each chord, we'll play each chord twice like so. B minor, G major, D major, A sus4, B minor, G major, D major, and A sus4. For the second verse, we will still be playing the same chord progression as the first verse, except this time we'll be playing the D note after each chord. Then after D major, we'll play D once, then we play A sus4 chord once, and then play it 3 times. Let's try that again. D major, D major 7 over F sharp, G sus2, D major, and A sus4. Then we jump into the third course, where we'll play the first 2 chords, B minor and G major, like we normally do. Then we'll play the rest of the chorus with our right hand 1 octave higher than before. D major, A sus4, B minor, G major, D major, A sus4, B minor, G major, D major, and A sus4. This brings us to our outro, where we'll play the course chord progression like before. However, we will gradually slow down, and in music, we call this retardando. We also do not play the last chord. So for the last part, we end with B minor, G major, and we end with D major. Here are some of my other tutorials that may interest you.